Hey guys, George Floyd Parks After Dark. We are here at Disney Springs, and this is the Art of Disney, guys. This is a once-in-a-lifetime store. If you are any fan of Disney, much less Disney art, this is where you gotta come for Disney Springs. There's an entire Cinderella piece in the front here, which is outstanding. They have a statue here. Those who know the story know. There's Cinderella with the dress she's gonna wear, and there's the evil stepmother coming down. You have the mice hanging out who helped her do the dress. Soon to be the horses. And then here's a very stylized version of her coming down the stairs losing her slipper. And this slipper painting is just outrageous. Now, let me show you this. It's also $16,000. So, this obviously is an original painting versus a print, much different, but that's it. Now, we'll go through the whole store right here. Now, what they have is this entire back wall. Now, all these are for sale. So I want to show you this. It's very different, very unique artwork. And for those who don't know, Stitch live action's coming out. There he is. And there's that, and then we'll keep coming through. I'll show you guys this other wall. So what they have along the wall is just basically all painting on top of painting, on top of painting, on top of painting. Every different style you can possibly imagine. Old time. Oh, wait, this is great from the Haunted Mansion. My head's spinning. I'm trying to make sure I show you all this. This is a great Coco print. And then there's Tink, who's just being fussy. Oh, and there's a great Headless Horseman. It's not Halloween, but he's always awesome. And then here's a great compilation of Fantasia. If you look real closely, every element of Fantasia is kind of built in here, from the brooms, to Mickey Sorcerer, to the Minotaurs, to the hippos. It's all in there. It's awesome. And then here's actually a workup of the float. Alice's Tea Time float, original drawing. So it just goes on and on and on. So that is all around the sides. What they have on top of that is this. When you get to where there's no glare. There you go. So they had these fantastic statues. This Pinocchio, Gru, and Ariel all set to go. And then if you come around, there's a great print. Now this is carved out of what I have to believe is wood. That's Disney. Okay, it's salvage ancient redwood. These are run about $750. Now that Pirates of the Caribbean from Disneyland is $2,400, a little more. $2,300. Probably got the glare, the Haunted Mansion, and this is awesome. These guys are just phenomenal. They're all about $1,400, $1,800. But it's made out of recovered redwood. What does recovered redwood means? It means they took redwood that's an existing building that was demolished, and they turned it into these beautiful statues. And then they have these throughout this entire store. They have these prints, and what they have in the print is the actual voice characters sign off. So you have the signature for Roo, Piglet, Christopher Robin on the bottom of that print, the original signatures. And this is an entire wall back here in the corner of just the actual voice actors who signed off on these. And this one's great because it's all the princesses and princes with signatures. That's $4,000.
$3,000.
And then there's Bambi.
$4,000.
And then you go up, and then you got Aladdin. And there's a great Cinderella. So they had them everywhere, and they had different sizes. So if you wanted, obviously, to spend $4,000, but you wanted to spend maybe $850, there's some smaller prints. So that's just really, really very neat. Now, again, prints continue, and a lot of them are very unique, very special. That's a very special print of Fantasia. Mickey and the Wizard going up the stairs after. We got the water on the bottom from the brooms. It's fantastic. And then you got these statues. These statues are great. Now look, you'll recognize this one. This statue's from Epcot. You've seen it in our videos. It is great. He sits looking out Luminous launches from, the balls behind him, Spaceship Earth, it's $95. And then again, Stitch is going to be everywhere because live action's coming out. And Stitch acting as Godzilla. And then there's Mulan, Tarzan, Sleeping Beauty. Maleficent looks really fierce. And then you got obviously Frozen. So they have those characters all $200 plus. And they these little figures which are only 30. This is a great one. Madame Leota's head. And then this, honestly, Mary Poppins on the cloud with the umbrella. She's awesome. And so then we come down, and really they just do such a nice job here. So we'll keep going through, and then they continue. Now they do have unframed prints that are much more price approachable, but then what they do have are these. Now this is a paper, three-dimensional print. So that obviously, and then you have Tinkerbell, and these are very expensive, $7,500. And then you have Cinderella. It is just really, really a neat thing. So we're gonna keep going around, keep showing you guys some more stuff. Now what they also have are these. Now these, I'm really gonna try to make sure I don't get, they're called the Gallery of Light. Okay, I think it's the glare out of there, right close. So there you got Nightmare Before Christmas. You got the ghosts from Haunted Mansion. Fantasia is well represented here today. This Alice is great. I'm gonna try to, I wish you could see, I hope you can see it. It's really a neat print. And what these are they're lit. So they're actually boxes. So inside is like a three-dimensional representation, and behind it's lit. There's your 7 dwarfs, live action's coming. Ariel, Pinocchio, and in the back there, Sleeping Beauty, and then you got Beauty and the Beast. Now, what is great that they also have here, they have all the drawings that are actually done here. And so an actual artist, her name is Monica, is here now, that's a screen. So it's an actual TV screen that is looking right now on her palette. She's not drawing yet. I did it before we go there, and there's a camera right there in the upper left-hand corner. That's what watches her, which is somewhat eerie. But there you go. I mentioned Stitch. You're gonna see a lot of them. So it just keeps going. So in the back here, one more prints. Now they vary from high end. This is a $4,000 Pooh print to more basic, but now they bring in other stuff. These are smaller prints. That's a wonderfully stylized Mickey and Minnie. And then there's not often you see them kissing. That's a very rarity. And then they do embroidery here for hats, which is really kind of cool. Now, when our daughters were young, they all got the Mickey ear cap. Actually, it was that one, and we had the names embroidered. That hat is awesome. You get them obviously stitched in the back here. And here, real quick, show you what it is. So for basic embroidery, it's only $4.99. One line, 16 characters. Boom. 2 lines, 16 characters per line is $8. So it's a deal. Instead of 2 $4.99, you get $7.99. So you get your bargain, but that's actually not bad at all for personalizing one of these. And then just in the back, then it just becomes more of this, and then there are more figurines back here. And they even got some, they got a lot of the Christmas stuff back in here right now. This is a great Mickey, $129, but he's a great Mickey. So guys, this, oh, wait, I almost passed this. Look how cool these are. Wow. I know it's not Christmas. They're made, it looks like they're made out of wood. They're fantastic. Look at the Christmas tree one. That, I'm trying to get out of glare. That's fantastic. So guys, this is a great store. This is a store if you want to come and poke around, and let's say you got a room that is your Disney room. This is where you're going to decorate. If you got deep pockets, you can decorate really well from the store because there's so much to see. There's so much to buy. Figurines and little pictures and big pictures. It is really, truly amazing. So guys, this is George Florida Parks After Dark. Listen, this is in the back of Disney Springs, back by Rainforest Cafe. back near Goofy's Candy Store. It is definitely worth coming and checking it out just to see how amazing the store is. Do me a favor, like and subscribe to the video, and we will talk to you guys later.